Hello, this is Jake, and today I'm unboxing this Tamiya Japanese battleship Yamato. I bought this one off eBay the other week. It's one of my, favourite battleships. And after watching the film Midway a couple of days ago, I thought, wow, there's only a small scene with this ship in anyway. But I thought, yeah, I will buy a model of it. So, I come home, went on eBay, and I found this one. And so what I'm going to do is unbox it. I don't have much room, but we'll see how I can do it. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look. Let's move that out of the way. I've been away for quite a while on this channel, and I will have a video explaining where I've been very, very soon. Okay, so we got our manual. Quite basic, stapled together. I do wonder if that's not original, but because it was bought off eBay. So you can fit motors into this one, make it RC. We'll have a look at the hull in a minute. You can see that's all prepared for you. And I've seen someone do that on YouTube, and yeah, it does look pretty good actually. Not something I want to do with this one, but there's your manual. Right, let's have a look. So, plastic pieces here. Don't know, oh wow, you can see them. So that looks like turrets for guns. Very, very fine detail parts here. Gonna have to be extra careful when I cut them off and place them. We have props, lifeboats, more guns, rudders, stern of the ship, deck. This ship did have launching pads where they used to launch the scout planes off, which is one of the features I love about this ship. It's not the only ship in the world that had it at the time, but I've always liked that. Stand pieces. There you go. Good old stand pieces. Like some of the bigger gun pieces in here. There you go. Some of the planes. I'm sorry, I don't know too much about the aircraft, what aircrafts were used on this. Aircrafts are not really my thing, but don't worry, if you're into your aircrafts, there will be some videos coming on different kind of aircraft soon. There's a loose piece in there, and just come off the sprue. So there's your guns. I've already decided that this kit, I will fully upgrade it with the brass guns you can buy. I don't believe it comes with a fencing neither. Something else you can buy separate. So photo etch fencing, proper wooden deck, all of that I plan to do with this model, because it will be going on display. More pieces here. This looks like guns again. That's the funnel, I believe, right there. Radar bits. Yeah, all in there. Bridge pieces as well for the superstructure. And then we have our deck pieces in here, and our decal sheet, as you can see there. So there's our deck pieces. All the different guns. The ship did go through different variants of different guns being added, from what I can tell when I was doing some research on it. And unfortunately, this was one of the ships that was sunk during World War II, near the end of World War II, against the Japanese. But I would love to make a shipwreck model of this one day, because the wreck's quite unusual. And I did not know this, but this does come with the bits to put the motors in. Which, yeah, I did not know that. I just looked at the manual and thought, oh well, there's the motors. So we've got prop shafts and everything in there. We got our standard little motor. I don't plan to make this RC, but that's something that's nice. I did not know that this model came with that, so that's a nice feature. if you want to obviously buy a model like this, I don't know if they're still on the shelves. They might be in some shops obviously, but yeah, it's nice to know you can RC this. It's a little bit similar to the Blue Devil Destroyer I bought a while ago. And then of course we have our hull, which is one whole piece, and that's how I like to have the hulls. Yeah, look at that. So it's got an unusual shape to the stern, and I do like that. And then obviously you got your props coming out and everything, the shafts, and that's really strong. You know, it's not really that flexy, which is surprising because one or two I've had over the last couple of months that I still got to do unboxings for. The hulls seem quite flimsy, but yeah, there we go. So nice detail on the side portholes. They could be drilled out, which is something I'm starting to do on a lot of my model shipwrecks now. So that's something I will do with this one. But like I said, this one will be going in as a display model. So I want to do my best work on it. Battery pack goes there. I mean, you could RC this however you like. I mean, you can use the parts, but you can also do it your own way, which is fine. But yeah, so there it is. There's not really much more to say about it, really. Nice seam going down for the middle, which, you know, you always got to get. You have to sand that down yourself. But yeah, so there we go. That is the Yamato battleship. I didn't mention the scale, very sorry. It is 1/350th. The size, I don't know if that's original manual or not. I'm guessing it's not. But as long as all the parts are there, which I believe they are, that's fine. And it gives you an idea here. So you can get the wooden deck and everything. If you would like to see videos on fitting some of that stuff, do let me know. I don't mind doing videos on this build. So thank you all for watching, and I shall see you all soon. Bye for now.